All right, guys, just let me rescue my cheesecake.
I love cheesecake. I love cheesecake at nighttime, real late at night.
Konnichiwa, konbanwa. Welcome to Candice Cooks. Today we're gonna make a delectable Yuzu cheesecake. One of the most impressive things as a kid going to Japan was the desserts that we saw in the windows of every shop. And one of my favorite things is a Japanese cheesecake that is absolutely delicious. To start, I'm gonna actually work on a crust that I think you're all gonna really love. For those of you who don't like crust, that's like a pâte sucrée, which is a typical regular crust. This one's for you. We're gonna add raw walnuts. These are full of omega-3 fatty acids, really good for hair, skin, and nails. We're gonna add a tiny bit of sugar. You can add a pinch of cinnamon in this if you would like to. Celtic sea salt. And then our last ingredient is gonna be butter. Now, if you're a vegan, you can use shortening if you like of your choice, or a vegan replacement. We're gonna hit the pulse button on this. The essence of the walnuts with the butter is so good. You're going to spread it evenly on the bottom of a parchment-lined springform pan, and then you're going to press evenly with clean hands. I'm gonna let it basically toast lightly for about 10 minutes in the oven. Okay, time for our filling. 4 packets of cream cheese that are at room temperature go into your bowl first. You can use Neufchâtel cheese if you would like, which is a lighter version. You're going to want to whip them up together with your whisk to really soften it and make it pliable for baking. You can use a stand mixer in this recipe if you would like. Okay. Now I'm gonna add in the eggs. Okay, first I'll start with 3, and I'll blend them into the cream cheese. Okay, now we're gonna add in our last 2 eggs. I'm gonna add in 2 or 3% Greek yogurt to this to keep it light, tangy, and fluffy. A little bit of the Celtic sea salt that I love. So we're gonna add in yuzu today and a little bit of lemon zest. So I'm gonna do a touch of vanilla extract in this. I really think the essence of vanilla mixed with the yuzu lemon zest also is divine. Now that this is all incorporated, we're going to place it into a springform pan in a water bath. And we put the foil around the bottom here. Great. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. We're gonna place this into a 325-degree oven for about 1 hour, and then we're going to take out the cake, let it cool completely, when we're ready to do a tasting. With a water bath, you wanna open, what the weird. Okay, with a water bath, you wanna be very careful and slide it in very gently. Perfect. The water bath has evaporated, and the cheesecake on top has a beautiful caramelized coating from the sugar. Cheesecake! All right, buckles undone. Now we're gonna lift, so this is a good one. Wow. Presentation-wise, if you would like, you can drop a couple of raspberries on top and make it look beautiful for your guests. Raspberries are really complimentary with yuzu. Okay, yuzu to the max. Cheesecake.
Sensational.
No joke. One of the best cheesecake recipes I've ever had, and I'm not tooting my own horn. It's just really that good. Check out all of my delicious recipes I wrote on my own. Beauty tips, culture, and wellness right here. Thanks for joining me, and hit the subscribe button now. Comment, like, and share with your friends. はい、どうもありがとうございます。じゃあね。